My name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I created my 3-piece candy corn vignette. The first thing I have was this strand from Hobby Lobby that was 90% clearance, but if you don't have one of those, Target Dollar Spot had one of these that would also work. I also have the smallest little shadow box that Dollartree has, I think. And one of the crates. This one has no handles on the side. And then, of course, candy corn color paint. I took a cereal box and my Cricut and I cut out several pieces of feet. And then I glued them together for dimension so that, I just wanted to show you how deep they were. And then I put some Mod Podge on the cereal box cardboard so that I could paint them with the candy corn colors. If you put the Mod Podge, it doesn't seep in too bad. Then I used my Cricut with this image to cut vinyl of Trick or Treat, and I painted that medallion white, and I just attached it. Then I took the beads off the medallion, and I painted them orange and yellow. And then I made a tassel. I used 3 Jenga blocks for my width. That was what I had. And I just looped it around a couple of times, tied it off towards the top. Also, this baker's twine is also from Dollar Tree. And then I just gave it a little knot towards the top, cut the bottom so that it was a tassel, and I started to add the beads, alternating them yellow and orange. I did feed the string through the knots so that extra piece was not showing. And then I added my medallion, Trick or Treat medallion, and that project was complete. I painted my shadow box black, and with print and cut and Cricut, I created a black and white background, and then I just glued my feet on top of that, and my shadow box was done. Then I painted my box again, candy corn colors, and with this stamp set that I bought at Michael's many years ago, and some black stamping ink that I had in my stash, I wrote the words, "Give me something good to eat," down, because I found if you write it down, it's easier to write backwards on your blocks. And I took my little clear block and my letters, and I started from the end on the first row, putting my letters down, but you see I messed up the M. No worries, I just painted over the M and went back down to the second 2 lines while the paint was drying, and I just spelled out the words I wanted. There you can see, I did go a little crooked, but it was a book stack, so I didn't really care. So there you can see my 3-piece set is complete. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Quarantine and I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'd love to talk with you. And as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.